Well, we're really anticipating a fun event this evening. LUX Boutique in Warkworth has graciously reached out to Northumberland Hills Hospital with this idea of teaming up fashion and healthcare, and they've entitled their event "Healthcare is Always in Fashion," and it's primarily for the women in the community to come out and seek out some new fall fashions. And Karen, the owner of LUX Boutique, has offered to donate 20% of all of her sales this evening back to our hospital. We're also really excited that we're in an area of the county that we don't traditionally have a very high presence. So we're really happy to be in Warkworth and being the recipient of Karen's great idea. So Karen approached the hospital back in the summer and said she was thinking about doing this event for the hospital, and were we interested? Well, I drove out to Warkworth and met with Karen personally, and if you haven't met Karen, I mean, she is full of energy, enthusiasm, great ideas. How could we possibly say no? And it was a great meeting, and we decided yes, it was mutually beneficial to both of us, and we were going to proceed.
This is a very successful event. We've had quite a few ladies. I haven't even had a chance to count. I've been showing all sorts of furs and skirts and pants and tops and handbags to everybody, and we're still writing up some bills. So I think the Northumberland Hills Hospital will be very pleased with our little event. Healthcare is very, very important to us, and again, I can't think of anything that's more important or more fashionable than good health. And you know, it's in our community. I think it's important. I think we're very lucky to have such a facility in our community, and giving back is where it's at. I've certainly had occasion to pop into the hospital and always been impressed and pleased with the service.
So this coming year alone, we have 4 featured areas of the hospital that we're focusing our funds on. The first is the surgical services program. The second is our labor, birthing, and delivery areas. The third is our pharmacy, and lastly, electronic health record. Those 4 areas of the hospital are going to require significant investment from the community over the coming year, and funds raised at tonight's event will support one of those featured areas.